When I was younger, I didn't like the rain very much. It felt inconvenient. Wet shoes, traffic, canceled plans. But now, I think I understand rainy days more. Rain slows everything down. And maybe adults need that sometimes. On rainy days, I don't feel pressure to move fast. The world becomes quieter, softer. Even people seem calmer. Sometimes I sit near a window with a cup of coffee and just listen. Not to music, just the rain. I think modern life is very loud. Notifications,